Hey folks, check out the banjo we got today. Larry's helping me out with number 974. This is a 4-string banjo, 11-inch rim, and the tone wood is all cherry. This cherry is just cabinet making scraps from the Carpenter Ant Stash. And then the rest of the instrument is Pistachio from California Orchards. And I love this little sapwood stripe here. So yeah, this instrument's got a 20-inch scale with an 11-inch rim. It's got 4 steel strings tuned D, G, B, E, like a baritone uke. And I like cherry because it's almost as loud as maple, but it's got a little bit of a gritty sound to it, a little more texture to the sound that I really like. So Larry's going to do some finger picking for us. Pretty cool. So yeah, this instrument with this scale length and everything, customers ask for it in multiple different tunings. In this one, D, G, B, E is like the smallest 4 strings of a guitar, or like a baritone uke. So that's number 974, ready to go. Larry, any words?
I love this thing. Seems to be perfectly in tune, and it looks as beautiful as it sounds.
Well, thank you, Larry. Appreciate it. Have a good one.